Question 4, do part A. We've got x to the power of 2/3 that we're differentiating. So we times by the power, and the power goes down by 1. 2/3 take away 1 is minus 1/3. And we've got the x value 8. So stick 8 into there, do it in your head. Cube root of 8 is 2, 2 squared is 4. Check it on the calculator if you're worried. Stick the 8 in here. Again, try and do it in your head first. The cube root of 8 is 2, so we've got 1 over 2. We've got a half here. A half times 2/3 is 1/3. If you're not sure, check it on the calculator. Y take away the y number equals gradient x take away the x number. And another line there, maybe tidying that up. I've got 1/3 of x here, minus 8/3, add the 4. That's going to give me, what's that going to give me? It's 4/3, isn't it? Just another 4/3 there. So there is my first tangent. It is a tangent. Yes, always check if it's a tangent or a normal. And part B, find the equation of the tangent to this curve at the point where the gradient is 1/6. So what we're asking here for part B is we want this bit here to be 1/6. So we want to try and solve this equation here, which you could do by using your calculator and doing a shift solve, or let's try and manipulate this. Let's times by 3 and divide by 2. So times in by 3 and divide in by 2 makes us a quarter here. A quarter, and let's rewrite this as 1 over the cube root of x. So that tells me that the cube root of x is 4. So I'm thinking that the x point we've got here is 64. From working out that the x point there is 64, I can then work out that the y value, throw a 64 back in up here. 64 cube rooted is 4, squared is 16, the y value is 16, and we were told earlier that the gradient we want is over there, is 1/6. They're the three pieces of information. So y take away the y number, which was 16, equals gradient x take away the x number, and you can rearrange that to leave it any way you like. If you've left it in the y equals mx plus c form, it looks like that.